Okay, we are back. It's been well over 2 hours, so we're ready to fire this up. This is the priming hole. It suggests that you put water in it first, so that's what I'm doing. Okay. Now, put this plug back in. Okay. Hold on. A little hard with one hand. Sorry, people. There we go. Okay. It's probably good enough. Let's see how this goes. I'm going to plug it in for the first time. Never even used this well before. We had no idea. Sorry about that, people. Alright, let's see if we got some water. Nothing yet. It's got some air though, it needs to suck up. Alright. Pause it. I don't know how long it'll take. We'll be back.